Hello everyone and welcome back. Firstly, I would like to say happy Easter to everyone. I don't know how about you guys, but we used to celebrate Easter when my son was a little. And where I came from, we have a lot of different technique of painting and decorating real eggs. So let me know in the comments how you celebrating the Easter. I don't know where you guys from, but here in England I already can feel the spring. There is enough blossom and bloom in the air. You can smell the sweetness of the flowers, which to me means more happy days. Oh, happy days. So in today's video I am presenting a basket full of bloom and happiness inspired by spring. To me, this basket definitely doesn't give a spring vibes, so I've decided to repaint it with a white acrylic paint. I give it a free coat, and what I realized, it would have been much easier and potentially look better using spray paint. A cute basket with a styrofoam. Make sure the styrofoam fits snugly, that you don't need to use any hot glue, and you would be able to reuse it in the future. So I'm filling my basket with a combination of spring flowers mixed together with some greenery and other elements. if you enjoy this Bloom of Happiness project, I would like to hear your suggestions for items you'd like to see me combine in the future videos. So thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!